Hey, it's Dr. Gerstin from Align Wellness Center. I wanted to take this quick moment to answer a frequently asked question that one of our patients brought in today. So if you wind up having any questions like this, feel free, write them down in the comments section and I'll do my best to provide video answers for them. Now, what she wanted to know was, what was that crack that was going on when I was just moving, or even when you were doing the stuff that you do? And the answer is that's really just fluids that are within the joint connecting. And when they connect, they make a popping sound or a noise. So if you hear them, it's not typically a bad thing at all. However, when you're doing this on your own and you try to crack or make yourself crack, typically what's going on is there are areas that aren't moving enough. And that's what's saying, hey, crack me. But the areas that make the noises are the ones above and below that are moving too much. When you wind up having this and you feel like you've got to pop again and again and again throughout the day, it's really important to wind up going to someone who's an expert in understanding spinal biomechanics and dynamics, like the doctors at Align Wellness Center, so that they can assess what's causing it and then develop a plan for you so that you don't have to pop like that all the time. Because when those pops get left alone and you have that regularly, it does start to cause spinal breakdown and degeneration, and we don't want to see that. Now, if you have any more questions, once again, feel free, put them down in the comments and I'll look to do my best to answer them. Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center. Have a great day.